This is Mark Brown with R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 1458. It's in like new condition. Mileage is under 2,000. The chassis is a 2022 Ram 5500 with 108 inches chassis. It's 4-wheel drive. The engine is a Cummins 6.7 liter diesel engine. Overall length is 26 feet 11 inches. Overall height is 112 inches. Headroom is 72 inches. It's a Horton body. It has new paint, new gaskets, new Willen sirens and speakers, all new Willen LED lights, a trip light 1,250 watt inverter charger, a new hose line HVAC system with new hoses and fittings. The body configuration is left front, oxygen and lift, forward compartment here, left rear compartment, brand new bumper with flip up step, rear entry, .32-inch load height, has a LSA seat, action areas forward, partial walkthrough, brand new front console with Horton controls, PDQ, glove compartment, right rear compartment, right forward compartment, curbside door, if you have questions, would like more information on 1458, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit our website www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.